Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Atif Ahmed from Linksoft Consulting Services. If you are new here, consider to subscribe to our tech channel Linksoft. Today I am going to unbox and give you an initial review of USB hub plus combo card reader. It is basically a 3-port USB hub which support 2.0 speed, and it is also an all-in-one card reader. Basically it is imported from Hong Kong, and it is also available at my store, official store Barqiat, so you can buy it from there as well. If you think your USB ports are not enough, or if there is some issues in your USB ports, so you can use this as a external USB hub. You can insert multiple USB devices to this, and you can benefit it from. It is highly efficient. All ports can work together at the same time, easily to transport data from each card or connecting devices. It is high speed. It is compatible with USB 2.0, USB 1.1, and it can run up to the 480 megabit per second. Powered by USB port, so there is no need to put the external power needed. So, and it is multifunction 3-port USB, and it supports micro SD card, SDMMC, SD card adapter, micro SD card adapter. You can use it. You can also use with M2 with Sony Pro Duo. You can also use multiple card readers at once at the same time, and it is very lightweight and portable. You can carry it anywhere. It is suitable for desktop and notebook PC, so it is very convenient, obviously.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying